Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zoho CRM workflows for automatic follow-ups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Zoho CRM workflows for automatic follow-ups, start by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Automation from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Automation section, select Workflow Rules. Next, click on the Create Rule button to start setting up your new workflow. Choose the module for which you want to create the workflow, such as leads or contacts. After selecting the module, give your workflow a descriptive name in the rule name field. Now, specify the trigger for your workflow under the When do you want to trigger this rule section. You can select options like Create or Edit, depending on when you want the follow-up to occur. In the next step, define the criteria that will activate the workflow. You may use conditions such as lead status equals new or any other parameter relevant to your business process. Once you've set the criteria, click Next to proceed. Now, it's time to define the actions that will take place once the workflow is triggered. Select Add Action and choose Send Email to send follow-up emails automatically. Fill in the necessary details for the email, including the recipient, subject, and body content. You can also use merge fields to personalize the message further. If you want to create additional follow-up actions, simply click Add Action again to include more tasks. Consider adding reminders or tasks to ensure team members are also notified about follow-ups. After setting all actions, click Save to store your workflow configurations. Ensure that the workflow is active by toggling the status from inactive to active. Finally, test the workflow by creating or editing an entry that meets the triggering criteria. Monitor the results to confirm that the automatic follow-ups are being sent as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.